Hi my YouTube friends, welcome back to my makeup lab for today's video, which is going to be my Beautylish a lucky bag or box unboxing. If you're new to my channel, I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 9 a.m. Central, all about makeup and beauty. So if you like that sort of thing, then please make sure and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. I love doing a good mystery makeup haul unboxing. I haven't done one since my Marc Jacobs Beauty one, which I will link up in the cards if you're interested in checking it out. But let's get into this one. I've been waiting all week. All week. The only thing that I wanted to say before I open this box is this is my first time qualifying for the Beautylish XL Lucky Bag, and I'm lucky enough to have been able to purchase it before they sold out, and I'm praying that this is a good one. I switched a lot of my regular purchases from Sephora to Beautylish, not only because Beautylish has great service, but also because you have to spend $1,000 in a calendar year on Beautylish to be able to qualify for this. And here it is. If you're anything like me, you've watched a ton of these, so I'm not going to read the card. I'm just going to dig into it and find out what is inside. I have to admit, last time I wasn't super thrilled with my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I got some good items, but I was able to trade something that I got doubles, and for a makeup junkie, it's hard not to get doubles. Oh my God. I think that's just paper. This is a Natasha Denona palette. It is. Oh my God, I saw everybody getting these last time. I've even seen some people get these that got the regular Lucky Bag. I'm a big fan of Natasha Denona. This is the purple and blue palette. It's all white. You won't be able to see it because of my lights. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Anything else that's in this bag is fine. This is definitely getting my money's worth. Beautiful. Let's see what else. This is the next package. If I get any repeats, luckily I have a daughter and she loves makeup as well, so I can always share with her. Okay, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Lips. I do have one in my collection already in the shade Too Bad I'm Bad. I like the formula. I hate the applicator though. The applicator is so weird. I did like a Throwback Thursday 5 First Impressions video, which I will also link up in the cards if you want to check it out, where I tried this and my shade was so beautiful, but the formula is just so funny. This one is in the shade Charlotte Darling, and it's a very nice nude. I like it. I will definitely add it and enjoy it in my collection. I don't have that. Next, this is by Bioderma, and my box is kind of falling apart. See that? It's kind of coming unglued. Can I get that back together again? In any case, this is the Bioderma Preciosity. It looks like Precious. This is the Flashlight Elixir, and it is a highlighter. Oh my God, I don't have anything Bioderma. Nothing, not one thing. This is interesting. Look at that bottle. I'm guessing this is a liquid highlighter, and it is. I'll have to read up on this one. I know how to use liquid highlighters, but I don't know if there's anything special about this one. If you know, definitely let me know in the comment section. And then there is this. This is by Sisley. I also have absolutely nothing from Sisley. I know that this is a very fancy brand. Sisley Paris. It says Emulsion Écologique Jour et Nuit. I think that means night and day. Oh, it's in English as well. Ecological compound, night and day, all skin types. Why did I try to read the French? What is this? A moisturizer maybe? Rich complex of balancing, toning, and stimulating plant extracts. Moisturizing and protective, it is highly recommended to fight environmental damage. Fluid and non-greasy, it leaves the skin matte. Use day and night. Well, okay. I've seen everybody get these in their boxes. This is the xoxo. See, I've been watching so many unboxings. I'm taking the average of all the pronunciations, and I think it's xoxo. It's a sheet mask. That'll be nice. There is also a nicely packaged little, I'm thinking it's a brush. I've ordered enough brushes from Beautylish that I know this how they come packaged. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I actually own this, but do I look mad? Oh no, I do not look mad. Where's mine? Twins. This is the limited edition Wayne Goss airbrush. This brush is magical. It does everything and it is so soft. I'm so excited. Love that. There's something else in there. I think I've definitely got my purchase price so far. Oops. Alright. I was not expecting more, but this is a nail polish. I don't really care for nail polishes. I got one last time, and I see it's by Smith & Co. I don't really care for nail polishes just because I get gel nails, and so I just don't get any use out of them. It's a very beautiful color, though. It's the Smith & Co. Dark Like Me 5 Free Polish. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful bottle. I also got one of these in my box last year. This is the Bioderma Micellar water, so that's always handy. One last thing, this is by Terry, I could tell. Again, I don't have anything by Terry. This is the Sun Designer Palette Summer Edition. Pretty. I like the palm trees. Playing a role of bronzers, blushes, and highlighters that enhance the skin's appearance. Ooh, it comes in a velvet pouch. It's like a deep purple. Looks black on camera, but it's purple. And here is the palette. Oh my. Very beautiful palette. Only thing is, I don't know how you keep all the things separated. My face brushes tend to be pretty big. I guess I could always use this. This is pretty small to get into the different shades. It's very beautiful, isn't it? So it's the Sun Designer palette in the shade number 4, Savannah Love. That's everything that was in my lucky box. I think it was definitely lucky. I like everything, except the nail polish. Yeah, nail polish is just not my thing. So this was the kind of item. I definitely won't complain with everything else. This Sicily thing. I haven't seen this in anybody's box. If you use this, please educate me. The Hollywood Lips was pretty cool. The brush, I'm ecstatic with the brush. And the By Terry palette, I'm excited to try that. This thing was falling apart, but I always love a good highlighter. Oh, I love Natasha Denona so much. I don't know if you can see, but back there behind my candle, I have my Sunset palette and my Lila palette. And this one's gonna fit so nicely there with her sisters. So excited. I'm really happy with this. I'm so excited. I'm glad I did the Beautylish XL bag. I know that the more I shop and the more makeup I collect, I probably shouldn't do these anymore because the likelihood of getting doubles, I mean, I got a double brush, but you could always use another brush, gets higher and higher. But this time around, today was finally my lucky day. I had one coming, guys. Believe me, I had one coming. It's been a rough couple of days, so I'm really, really excited. Thank you for joining me on my unboxing. Let me know what you thought. If you have an unboxing, please let me know in the comment section. I love to look at unboxing videos just as much as I love to unbox them on my channel. I'd love to see what you got. got, and hopefully you got just as lucky as I did. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing. I'm super happy. Thank you to Beautylish for the great service always. I am a happy customer. Thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day, just as good as I am, and I will see you again very soon on my next video. Bye-bye.